everyone's doing great and you are all pumped for Diwali. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing how to do this glowy, natural, minimal, festive look with all of my favorite Amazon finds. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so I've already prepped my skin with the Lakme 9 to 5 Vitamin C Serum along with the L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Gel Creme. Then I'm going in with my most trusted foundation, and that is the Maybelline Fit foundation in the shade 125. I'm just going to apply some dots all over my face and then blend it. So the beauty blender is again from Amazon. I got this like a set of 5 or set of 6 in a jar. I will leave the link to it in the description box in case you want to get it for yourself. Then for my concealer, I'm going in with my most favorite, the Instant Age Rewind Eraser from Maybelline. Again, if you guys have followed me for a while, you guys know I am a huge sucker for like a very natural looking base, and I usually go in just with the concealer, not even with the foundation. But since we're doing like a festive look, the foundation is a must. But other than that, this concealer does the job so very beautifully. Then to set in the concealer, I'm going in with the compact, again Fit Me. I'm just going to dab like a tiny bit under my eyes. Then I'm using my go-to blush, and that is the Elana Dream blush. I'm using the Flamingo Pink shade. I am just going to take like a teensy bit amount on my finger and then just blend it. This has so much pigment. I mean, it is just so easy to blend and it just gives you like that perfect natural blush glow look. Then I'm going in with this liquid highlighter. This is again my go-to. You can just see as I'm blending how beautifully it blends and gives you that very natural, glowy, dewy looking skin. Now for my eyes, I'm going to be using this Nicka K Autumn Spice palette. I broke this one, although this is like one of my favorite palettes. This palette is generally great for most of the looks since it is like a perfect blend of all neutrals. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. So I'm going to be using this shade as my transition shade because we are also going in with the shimmer shades later on. I got this palette at a very steal deal on Amazon. I always press down the shimmer eyeshadow with my finger because I feel like usse pigment zyada aata hai and it just gives you like a full coverage. And then I'm just going to blend it thoda sa so it doesn't have any harsh lines. Also, the makeup brushes that I'm using are from Miniso. I'll leave the link to it in the description. I got like a set of 12 for just rupees 500, which was like amazing. And all the brushes are very soft and so easy to use. All of them are very beginner friendly as well. Okay, I like my eye situation so far. And then I'm going in with this shade and this dark brown shade right here. I'm going to mix it for my lower lash line. So using a kajal has become like my new favorite go-to thing to do for festive makeups after Alia Bhatt's wedding makeup look. And I just like to apply like a very thin line on my lower waterline. And that's it. So yeah, this is what the eye makeup looks like. I'm going to go in with my favorite mascara, and that is the Color Bar Zoom and Bush mascara. One of the main reasons why I like this mascara is that this wand, I can also use it to fix my eyebrows. Like, this is one of my travel friendly mascaras that I always carry with me. For setting my brows, I'm going to go in with the Soap Brow. It just makes your brows look so very bushy and natural, and like I absolutely love it. Even you guys will see it. If you are someone who doesn't like to fill in their brows and do like the whole eyebrow routine, then you can definitely get your hands on this one because I absolutely love the look that this one gives. Before I go in with my lipstick, I'm going to go and set my makeup with the Makeup Fixer Natural Setting Spray. This one is from Swiss Beauty. Just going to let it all sit and settle down. So for my lips, I have two options. So the first one is a clear gloss from Inside again. Then the other one is this Plum Peach Please lipstick, bullet lipstick. So yeah, let's just give it a try. Whatever suits, we'll go with that. So first the lipstick, otherwise we'll just mix the both. I'm going to dab it with my beauty blender to lighten it. Yeah, I guess this looks nice. And then I'm going to go over with the clear gloss. So yeah, this is what the final look looks like. I absolutely love how glowy and minimal this is. Let me know in the comment section below, would you guys be trying this look in the festive season or the upcoming wedding season? Because I would love to see your recreations if you do. All the products used in this entire video are in the description box, so do check it out, and I will see you all in my next video super soon.